ComposiMold is an eco-friendly, reusable mold-making material. We have the ComposiMold-Flex, ComposiMold-Original, ComposiMold-FC, plus the Impressive Putty.
ComposiMold is an awesome tool for any artist or craftsman. Duplicate almost anything and then remelt to reuse it.
So the next thing you'll need is a mold box. You could use something as simple as a cup, or you can make something out of aluminum foil, or you can make something even more fancy. Once you have your mold box, you're going to need to secure your part to the mold box, which could be hot glue, or you could weigh it down with clay.
The two main places to look for bubbles is in the eye socket or underneath the chin. And you're now ready to duplicate your part. We will be using ComposiCast, which is a nice, easy casting material designed specifically for use with the ComposiMold and the Impressive Putty. Mixes 1:1, gets great details, and can also be colored with some colorants. And the suspense builds up. What is it going to look like? You can continue to use the same mold to duplicate Mount Rushmore. And you can use a variety of different casting materials, including this ComposiStone, which is a hard plaster. You can use soaps, waxes, rubbers, and some urethanes. Plus you can also do chocolate, but don't do that after you've made your mold with plastic. And of course, the advantage of ComposiMold is it can be remelted to reuse to make a different object whenever you choose.
So now we can pour in our casting material to make a new Stonehenge, and after we're done, this is going to be remelted.
Impressive Putty is our reusable mold making putty. It's like no other putty you've seen before. Basically 14 seconds in the microwave and you can press it onto anything, and then remelt to reuse.
Marvelous. Here we're pouring a ComposiCast that we've dyed red in the Impressive Putty mold, but you could also pour in a fast curing resin, other epoxies, and much more.
Alright, so it's very easy to get these out. You just want to flex the putty away from your part, and then you can just peel it out. This stuff comes out very easily.
And just like ComposiMold, the Impressive Putty can also be remelted to reuse whenever you like.
So carefully cut. Alright, so now just take your mold and tape it back up, fill it with resin, and you've got your 3D object.
Alright, so now that you've watched this video, you too should be ComposiMold reusable mold making pros.
So give it a try. What do you got to lose? It's reusable.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help you in any way that we can.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching.